Well, the surgeon Dr. Ramaglani is there, and thyroid crisis management briefly I'm discussing. So here you have got the sportive management and the specific management. In case of sportive management, you have got the four things. That's you have to manage the first of all dehydration, then hyperpyrexia, then you have to manage restlessness, and in case of cardiac, two issues are there: cardiac failure and uncontrolled atrial fibrillation is there. So in case of dehydration, it's very simple. You will give the IV fluids. In case of hyperpyrexia, ice packs will be sufficient. In case of restlessness, IV sedation and steroids they are usually required. Okay. In case of cardiac failure, so you have got the diuretics and uncontrolled atrial fibrillation. For that purpose, we have the drug that's the digoxin. In case of the specific management of the thyroid storm, so we can give the tablet carbimazole, 10 to 20 milligram, 6 hourly, and we can also give the Lugol iodine 10 drops. You will give it per orally 8 hourly. Okay. So further, we can also give the sodium iodide 1 gram IV, and at last but not least, you can also give the propranolol IV 1 to 2 milligram. That's the IV dose of the, or you can also give in the tablet form 40 milligram tablet of the propranolol. That will be sufficient for 6 hourly. So thank you so much. This was brief about the thyroid storm management.